crazy. Just look at us.
Howdy guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am, and if you're not, welcome back. All right, I know you guys have seen these ears before in the rainbow tutorial, and I talked about how they were Bing Bong, but I also love Inside Out, so I wanted to do the SVG bundle that is available to our members, links in the description, with a few more designs to either do more of Bing Bong or Bing Bong Sweet Treats, or just Inside Out, and you can embellish these and make them as fun as you want. But I wanted to feature all the SVGs I came out with for this bundle so you guys can see it. If you want this bundle, you can purchase it on auntietay.com, or it is included in our $8 a month membership, so you can check that out as well. Or you can design it yourself and make them yourself if you're a graphic designer. So let's get going. I'll show you where to get your Mickey Ear Factory SVGs. You can shop them right under this tab right here by just hovering over it and clicking SVGs if you're not a member. But if you are a member, I'm going to take you into one of our member only pages right under Disney. All of these pages are member only, and you can click Mickey Ear Factory. And in the Mickey Ear Factory, you can see that we are working on it as I'm filming this video, but we have a ton of characters that came out this June, and we will come out with them every season, new ones for you guys, which I'm so excited because this is like my favorite thing ever to do, which is create Mickey ears for you guys. So when you click on one of these, it's gonna download all the SVGs you need to create that character, which is so fun. And so you can find that right here, or again, you can purchase just the individual character if you are interested in that. We also have some fun things like shapes, and I'll be showing you how to use some of our shapes for individual characters as well, because you can really get creative with some of the shapes that we will offer as well. If you need the template, it's right here. And then on the side, we have links to my favorite places or tips and tricks on what to get. Like our Mickey Ear Factory is designed to work with just solid colors, and I love flannel because flannel is super easy to work with and iron on, and I also love felt, and there's some other things, and so HTV and all the things that you'll need to create the best Mickey ears in the park or on your cruise, or just to wear, because who doesn't love just wearing Mickey ears? So that's where you will find all of the SVGs you need for any of our Mickey ear tutorials. Alrighty guys, let's get started on our Inside Out ears. The first ear I'm going to be making is the little flower that Bing Bong wears. I did go a little over the top with the Bing Bong designs because I just feel like he is my favorite character out of all the characters in Inside Out, because he has so many colors, and you guys know that I'm obsessed with rainbows. So I just laid out the little flower. This is an SVG that is available to the members, as well as all the other SVGs you see in this video, as well in the Bing Bong bundle under the Mickey Ear Factory. Okay, so I got that one ready to go, and then we will use that just as one of the ears. And then this is the Memory Balls bundle, or it's part of the bundle, and it is the Memory Balls, which can be used for other designs as well, but when you make it a rainbow, it looks really fun. So I just layered it how I wanted in the plastic, and then I'm just pulling all the plastic off and working one layer at a time, as we do when we do multiple colors of HTV, and just working my way from the back to the front. And then we will use this as well, just like these stripes can be used in a lot of different characters, and you're gonna see me use them in a ton, but I was really inspired to do yellow and white because I love how Bing Bong Sweet Treats have yellow and white and hot pink, and so I would love to pair this with a hot pink bow. This is the rainbow ears that I featured in its own tutorial, so you can see how I layered that and what colors I used in that. But Bing Bong ears and Inside Out ears are so fun because you can use little scraps of all your HTV, and you can make so many different combinations. And then we used the purple fabric to make Bing Bong's bow, and that is it. Ooh. Okay, high five or snap or whatever you want to do. Back to...
Yeah, we go crazy.
Whoa!
Just look at us, how we lose it. We're moving like a wolf pack. Feel the bass attack. Feelings growing strong. Yeah, yeah.